Thickies, welcome back to Thick Girl's Guide, your official guide for all things fashion, trends, style, and lifestyle. And in today's video, I'm excited to bring you guys a review of the Kinder Beauty box. So we'll go into all the details about this, what you can expect, why it's called Kinder, and stay tuned for all of that. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join the Thick Girl gang, and let's dive into it.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling.
All right, so this is the November beauty box from Kinder, and depending on when you subscribe, like, you may not get this box because I know November is pretty much almost over. If you subscribe in the month of November, you'll get this box or something similar to it, but obviously they change it up every month. So if you subscribe in that particular month, you're going to get like the December or January box or whatever. But either way, your box will be filled with the best in clean beauty. So that is why it's called Kinder. So everything in here is vegan. It is cruelty-free. It's good for the skin, good for animals, good for the environment. And just some more information about what is not in these products. They really do a lot of research and make sure that all of these products are extremely clean products for you. But they have no parabens, no added phosphates, no silicones, no formaldehyde, no talc, no mineral oil. Like, they have a whole huge list on their website, guys, of what is not in here. All sorts of bad stuff you probably don't want on your face or on your body. So that's what's really cool about this box. Now, for this box, the monthly subscription is $26 per month. Or if you do a 6-month subscription, it goes, or more, it can go up to a 12-month subscription, but that would be $23 per box. If you do sign up for the 6-month box, you will also receive a free box worth $138 value. And they did give me a discount code, of course. It is 50 Thick Girls. I will put that down below here in the video. It's also in the description box. That will give you 50% off as long as you're a first-time subscriber and discount off your first box only. And the link is down below, of course. Okay, so let's dive into the box and see what it's all about. All right, so when you open it up, it does have the little information card here. So this will show you what you're getting. This also shows the prices and has a description of all the different products. And then we've just got it packed in here with some paper. So let's dive in and see what we got here. We're gonna try and go in order of the little card here. So first up, this is the Lily Anna Naturals High Potency Retinol Serum. So gently boosts your skin's natural collagen, reduces the look of dark spots, and enhances your skin's elasticity with this powerhouse serum. Treat your skin with retinol, I don't even know how to say that, and hyaluronic acid to calm it with chamomile and cucumber extracts. Okay, I'm not mad at like a serum for like anti-aging, especially if it's all, you know, vegan and clean and all that good stuff. Okay, so here's what the serum looks like out of the package, and I'm assuming it's got a little eyedropper because that makes sense. Yes. Not much of a smell to it, so that's pretty good because you don't really want a lot of fragrance in your skincare because it can irritate. All right, next up, we have the Lea Nature Bioetic Organic Hand Cream. And this is a collagen boosting hyaluronic acid and calming organic aloe vera formula. So it hydrates, it's a hydrating, smoothing formula that will not only protect your hands from dryness and extreme weather, but will also make them look good when you haven't lifted a finger, is made in France. I just ran out of my hand cream, so I'm actually really excited for this one. And I have some super dry hands right now, so we're gonna try it out. Okay, so there we go. I always get such super dry hands, like when we're transitioning into winter. Like I've even had like cracking on my like knuckles before. Like they get really, really, really dry. And that's when I even use hand cream like daily. So it's like, I don't know, it just sucks the moisture out. It has a really light, natural fragrance. So it's not gonna like upset you if you're allergic to fragrances or anything like that. It feels like it's absorbing very quickly. So, I mean, I should have shown a before and after because my hands were dry looking like a crocodile, you know. So it made a big difference. Obviously, I always like to say I have grandma hands, especially when they're like super dry, and now they look young again, you know. So it rejuvenized, I feel like. All right, so next up we have Yoga Pause. And this is a yoga mist, which I've never heard of. Comment down below if you've heard of a yoga mist. I'm not a yoga person though, so I'm not, you know, big into the yoga scene. But if you are, maybe you've heard of a yoga mist. This is something interesting, but it's peppermint and sage, and you can spray it on everything from your yoga mat to your desk chair to your car to your pillowcase, and it's supposed to be very calming. I mean, let's give it a spritz here. I don't know about peppermint. Did it get on me? I don't feel like there's much of a fragrance. Oh, there it is. Now you gotta stick your face in the cloud. Okay. Anyway, you probably look like a loon doing this on camera. But, yeah, I mean, it's mild, so I thought it was going to be pretty strong like peppermint and sage. I'm happy to report that it's not. I feel like the fragrance, it doesn't last very long, but maybe if you're spraying it on something like a fabric, it stays longer. I'm also just shooting it into the air, people, okay? But if you're like a big yoga fan, here you go. All right, next up we have the Jasmine Beauty Coastin' Highlighter. And this highlighter is a buildable and weightless, nourishes your skin with calming ingredients such as white tea, safflower oil, and camellia flower, while gifting your cheekbones with the ultimate glow. I do love me a highlighter. So, okay, so here's the highlighter packaging. So just kind of a standard cardboard packaging. And then this, we've got the little acetate thing here, and it comes with like a little mirror, so that's cute. But yeah, this is the tone of it, and let's do a swatch here. Okay, so that's on my finger. Now this box does come with 5 items total. So the last item is the Zion Health Ancient Clay Soap, and you could either get it in the River Spring scent or the Songbird. This is Songbird. Oh, it smells good. Yeah, that has a really nice, it's just very fresh and clean fragrance, as soap should have, maybe. Yeah. But this is crafted with coconut oil, shea butter, and 57 trace minerals. This small and mighty ancient clay soap bar will moisturize and stimulate your skin's renewal while you enjoy the sense of serenity. And this is $1.50. So I will say with their pricing that's listed here, to me it's very accurate. It makes a lot of sense. Like these products are you know, definitely worth that same amount. Whereas when I used to do like the BoxyCharm and Ipsy subscriptions, I always felt like a lot of things were just inflated to give the box a better value. So I appreciate the honesty in Kinder as well. Like, let's keep it real, because people can just look up these prices, and all of these prices seem very fair for the products that you're getting. So, oh, in each box, you will receive at least an $85 value as well, is what it says on their website. So overall, if you're trying to find obviously very clean and like vegan beauty items and you want to try out some new things, this would be a fantastic box. Also, if you have someone in your life, since we're heading into the holiday season, this would be a fantastic gift item. Either gifting them, you know, just one box, or if you get them like a 6-month subscription, it's kind of the gift that keeps on giving. So that's kind of cool. And they can try out a bunch of different products as well. So overall, thank you to Kinder Beauty for sending these over for review, and super excited to do it and find out what you guys are all about. Absolutely love it. We'll pretty much use everything in here. Maybe not the yoga mist. I'm going to try and see if somebody else would maybe use that, just because maybe I could try putting it on my pillow or something like that and see how it goes. Because it doesn't have to particularly be for yoga. But everything else in here, super excited. We'll absolutely use everything. Excited about that retinol serum. Let's try to keep ourselves, you know, young and spry. And that hand cream. Honey Boo Boo loves himself a bar soap. So that has a really good scent to it though. So I will use that as well. And the highlight I will probably just use for like an eyeshadow, since it's a little bit deep on me as well. But overall, again, if you're interested in the Kinder Beauty box, the link is down below for that discount code. You get 50% off of your first box, so pretty good score. And that's it. So don't forget to give this video a comment. Have you tried Kinder Beauty? Are you interested in it? Overall, subscription boxes are just so fun. I feel like they're just like a gift to yourself each month as well. So I have always loved them. And don't forget to hit that like button, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.